In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlink Instagram from Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at your profile picture, then hit add 3 lines and get into settings. On settings, scroll down until you find account center, just get into it, and that's where you can find your profiles. You can just tap at profiles. Here I got 2 different profiles. The first one includes Facebook and Instagram accounts. They are connected to each other, and the second one has just Instagram profile. You can open up that profile, but unfortunately there are no option to unlink Facebook from Instagram or Instagram from Facebook. All you have to do is go to accounts right here. That will show you all your Facebook and Instagram accounts, and then in order to unlink an account from your Meta account center, you need to remove that account from here. That will not remove that particular account, that will just remove it from the account center. So I'm just gonna hit add remove. Now it says that this particular Facebook account will lose access to connected experiences, and this will not delete or deactivate your account. So just hit add remove account, then hit add continue, and then hit add remove. I have just removed my Facebook profile from account center, and it says that if you change your mind, you can re-add this account in any time just by hitting on add accounts. If you want to do it right now, just tap where it says add accounts, then select add Facebook account. And then to add that particular account to the account center, just hit add continue and then hit on add. That will re-add that Facebook account to the account center, but that Facebook account will no longer be associated with any Instagram account. Now you can go out of here, and as you can see, now I got 3 different profiles, and none of that Facebook and Instagram accounts are linked to each other now. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook and Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.